ISOKO Isokumano Wado greetings to you everybody. I beg, after watching this video, I want to make you share am. I want make you share this video as far as you can. Make it reach out to everybody. Because you don't know who go fall victim. I want to tell us something about my culture today. Maybe some of you don't hear, or not believe, or not they believe. Maybe based on say it never happened to you. Maybe some of you never hear. So I won't tell us, I won't remind us again. And I want to tell us, make una hear. And I want you make you share am, make everybody know. Who don't hear before, make it be like saying a reminder. Who never hear, make it hear. Who no know, make it know. About my culture, ISOKO and Urhobo. You see these two nations, they are two brothers. Their culture, their tradition, not the same thing. Now just now some area small, if at all, say small d. But I want to talk about marriage. Our culture, our tradition about marriage. Now I want to tell us. The little I know, bro, if you never ready for something, no do one. And maybe you enter, you go see and say, you know, go feel chest, you know, go feel with standard, bro, madam, come out. Just do the needful, make you do it, make you wash your hand and your leg, come out. Marriage no be do or die affair. If you no fit do, you fit come out. Usugbe jana, are kelo make. Edere bejana, are zihe. Are bumaye, they not they keep body put. If you no fit do, you withdraw. Not be say you go come do now. When they say winye sawo, you come they bring insult, calamity, problem, disgrace, embarrassment, come give family, friends, children, community, nation. No, it's a bad. Arek bumaye no be do or that for. E dere bobi nanya, ndere bobi nanya renyatu. Eran bobi na beran, ibi to awo. Where you soup bobi nanya, arenyata so. You understand what I mean? Fikire, ibe no, ojo ti wu, ati boni o, we benye, o de nota. When they want to, they want to refer say, now because of you so person take by you, now you buy so person, now you do like this so, no be your mama do it, no be your brother do it, no be your auntie do it, no be your papa did make the person die, no be your uncle did it. Instead, make all those kind of stories they come. Come out fully. Say, like this, I beg that just find something. If you know even get, you just find something, take one hand. Now because of something, nah, I'm not do again. Or just say you not do again. Oh yeah, family. Oh yeah, do the needful. Or for them major or job. I beg. Our children don't today buy because of this matter. It don't too much. And make I just use the opportunity. I beg our elders. If it get hard, they go fit do. If at all, say it get hard, they go fit do. Make una do and walk. Bekere on no grow wa or major or wanye. Who caused the calamity? Make he use his head or her head to carry the calamity. Because he gets someone we say the man they cause. He gets someone we say the woman they cause. But this is a more of a thing. They're not the director who you want. Now who he like, who he wants, any item want anywhere, anyhow, anywhere, where he want now they collect. If they collect anybody anyhow he want that. They not they follow they narrate story. Do you understand? I beg. If you get it runner, make una see how I feel run this thing one kind. If at all. I'm not even sure if it's possible because one community when I hear say they don't do their own common for it recently now. That one don't buy. So what did they do? That is to tell you say it's when they do so. Ancestors not agree. Because this one I'm waiting they don't do for grand. For ages. If you gain every generations we don't pass. And they do all this thing. And he get why. He get what he happened. He get what he saw. When they tend to this thing for grand. He not just carry gun. But let's be honest. He really good. Make people when don't do marriage. Make they shit. He show that. Make they shit on themselves. Like he good. He not good now. More could talk truth. He not good. Say woman when don't marry. Make all the good the bench another man aside. He really good. More command the tradition first. More keep that one aside first. He really good. Then men too now because of be men and they do. He really good. Say as you do and you man when you go outside they do. Check and make you check and make you balance and small. Just check that place. It really makes sense. It dey pain now. Okay, if your woman go outside too, go bench outside. How far? It be you. Forget the ancestors they first. No, put that one aside first. How they be you? How they feel am? Eh? Now the same thing is still there. Now so they pain we women. Now so they pain us. Now so they injure us. Even though say na right or even to say na fit do am but they take am easy small. Guy dey pain now. You understand? So back home, Isoko woman, if you don't marry, you don't marry. Even you the man, you don't marry, you don't marry. Some of them they say this is so now only woman they who. Or now only man they go, bro. If you don't know, shut up and listen. You man or you woman, if you don't marry, you don't marry. Then after you don't marry, say something happen or wait you see and say you don't feel chester, you don't feel withstand the matter. Bro, do the needful, madam, do the needful and leave. Make we they try the respect and obey. Like maintain your culture, your tradition, no matter who you be. You see this earning, this SMO of a thing, bro, they know they shine teeth go there. You know they follow you, they shine teeth. I be pastor, I be a prophet. Oh, my pastor, they pray well. My pastor and my prophet, they sick well. My prophet, they see. My pastor, they pray. I be Holy Ghost fire. I be Holy Ghost kaboko. I carry power of God. Me and God, they wash and they eat for the same place. Me and this thing. My body where they strong. Oh, my banji not be here. Oh, my this thing. Bro. You know they follow you, they shine out teeth. They're not the do and come in ISOKO. You see that any? You see that SMO? They're not the do all those on go there. I get money. I'm a wealthy person. I'm a rich man. I'm a rich woman. I'm a fine woman. I do like this. I get nyash. I get breast. I get this. I get a borato. I get this. Bro. I don't retain not so baby. Now once. You know where you go see yourself. Now 6 feet. I tell you. ISOKO woman. Be you son-in-law. I be a daughter-in-law. Anyhow you take connect with ISOKO or Urhobo. as far blood don't dey. Like either you come marry or you then marry you come or they marry you go or anyhow. Bro, you are equal to the task. You don't get you want to, bros. You don't get anything you want to. And they announce they give you now, just as they announce give us. Isoko woman, Isoko wife, Isoko woman. When you don't marry, no they bench outside to gay. And Isoko husband, no they suspect his wife. Oh, where Viviero pa era. Some of them that their relationship were Vivier, come even on a relationship, the Vivier near, the suspect near. That's why you go still master you enter marriage. When you the Vivier near, so then they prognose they suspect you. This guy, they suspect this girl, this guy, this guy, this boy, and this boy. When you they suspect near, so they accuse her near. Hey, are you not sure you're cheating on me? Are you not sure you're doing this? I can feel like you're cheating on me. It's like cheating on me. It's like he go master you enter marriage, and if he master you enter marriage, bro, he go collect wetin not good. Not say na wish. Some things when they happen, some people when they buy so, not be everything. Be witch, not be everything be juju, not be everything be some of them are some things when we the overlook, like we they say na nothing. There be something. Nothing too when you go know. Now be say I don't marry with the matter. Now when you do the needful, because some of them they say he do like this, and then they work, you know they do like this. Come. Not your marriage be marriage. Like some of them are going to carry it for us and don't do your marriage. How to do your marriage pass? How you do your marriage pass? Now, if you do the needful, and he said, he get I take the work. So tell you if you know if you do the needful well, but maybe you go to say that maybe because you don't do that one now, you don't escape. Oh boy, that guy, I take it. When you do the needful, the traditional rites, you do them well, accordingly. You follow the procedure. Both the parents' side, where you they marry, both your own family side, the excursion, that place, that excursion, so it gets this way they follow. It gets this way they do. It get how they package that place. Even the daddy when they go pay. It get how they waka da waka. And they say no konya. Uwe unwe senare you komote. Uwe marinare lu. It get this when they package. It get how they package it in. Eroni kena mahamu anela Canada sana wani boro na wani la Canada wani bigo bota na wani lena wani loro na wani lena na wani wani lena. Not be the matter with that. Oh, just do nice, don't do wedding. Yeah, wedding na your culture. Wedding, what wedding one of the na your culture, na your tradition. Na your culture be that. That's another people culture you they borrow join your own culture. So your own culture not reach now. No, I'm not to say anybody no fit do wedding. You fit do your wedding, no, na normal thing. But now what you like, that one. But we're not talking about that one. We're talking about the male bonge, the original one. It's your way, see. You understand? If you do them well, you don't dodge anyone. Because some of them nasabi use, nasabi dodge. They don't use money set to. They don't do this one. This one do. That one. But you won't do fast, maybe they come out. As they tell they do and fast, jaga they do and walk, fire so. Now, so if you're not careful, now so you go walk, fire, you go enter 6 feet. Tomorrow, if care is not taken. Make we dey careful. I beg. Ask question about your culture, about your tradition, your history. Know how that they run now, know how that they do the thing. Be asking questions. Both your family side and the family when you they go. The community when you they go. And where you they even they come from. May they tell you the negative and the positive when they side. The disadvantage and the advantage when they side. Make you know what you do. Make you know where you they enter. Make you know how you want to pull leg for inside the water. To avoid story that touches you. Wow. Oh my visio. Kakide eranye. O are no wenye. Ule bo. Boke jore bo. Ule no pa pia no rezoka. Beko wegbeje ko na bien. Rezu owe. Later make you not be said our pastor. Our pastor no problem. Pastor, you not a pastor reach there. You didn't want your nipple. You marry Isoko person, or Isoko person marry you. He know the bench aside in marriage. She know the bench another man. Already your fire, your. I am telling you. As a job with bad budge of your man. Maybe you say that you go on Babalawo place or you go on prison, you they take things for body, you they collect things for your mind. You say you know they own you know they do anything, you know they madam. As he quiet leave you so, for your mind quiet leave you, they give you grace. Now when you not expect, he go come. And he say, and I see they come. You know, I don't understand. You know the reason any matter with you. Now once, maybe now your children when you born for the man, now you go they collect. Maybe now if it start from there, you go they collect them. Or you go use one kind of wicked sickness, they hold them down to drill you down. Or you go collect that man. Bro, madam, be careful. If anybody tell you say ISOKO or Urhobo, ancestors, they're not the hold, they're not the work, they're not the active. Bro, pick your slippers. I said, borrow leg, join your leg, run, not look back. And ISOKO man, when don't marry, or you aside man, you marry ISOKO woman. Bros, you not a suspect your wife. You don't suspect her. You don't accuse her wrongly. if you see say she dey waka kuru kere waka, she dey do some kuru kere things, bro. Say already. Do as if you not see. Do as if you not hear. You know, in fact, you not see, you not hear. Go sleep. Enjoy yourself. Because if you dey suspect her or you dey accuse her, only you they enter your 6 feet. See, if you dey suspect your wife or you dey accuse her, maybe she not gonna do that thing when you dey accuse her for so. They suspect her for so. The end go owe you. And if you be saying you owe your wife, or maybe somehow some with the matter boss can say she do something, and maybe the family come, they fan her. They try to do the needful. You, the man, if you go give her money, or like if you pull body, Eh? Like when the matter don't bust in like that, you follow am, you sleep with am, you eat her food, or you go even give her money join. Take go settle the matter for family, bro. Now 6 feet. Now 6 feet ASAP. No, they're not the. If you like height, do am. Make anybody not know. If you like, do am publicly. Guy, just ask questions for comment section. And that was it. They not say they go get them do am. You know they collect all those kind bribe, all those, especially when you don't too take. You know, they even do and say no, they owe you. You they go down, you they go down. You don't go. And anybody when they buy, you understand so? And mind the kind words when you go to use for your wife, or you wife you will use for your husband, even to the children when una born. No matter how you think say you be, e not get how you get level reach. E not dey follow you dey do that shit. No matter how your anger be, no matter how your anger strong reach, be careful the kind of words you use, the way you go talk. The words when you go talk, say you dey vex, so now out of anger, I don't know, just out of anger or out of this thing, then you talk, finish. You enter house, you can't say you don't finish. Eric go owe you. SMO go owe you. They go grab you. See, SMO battle they deliver for SMO. Not be you go fight am. If you see say or you hear say your woman, they go outside, or they do crooked, or you see or you, bro, the highest thing you go do now to go meet family. In fact, drop your question for comment section. We go reply you. Questions many. Ask questions. Ask. If it happen like this, how I go do am? If parameter say happen like this, how we go do? How they go do? What if you do like this? What if you call like this? What if I do like this? How you go do? What if you do like this? What if? Drop them for comment section. We go answer you. But the bottom line is that ISOKO and Urhobo woman or wife, when you don't marry, it's not the bench aside. And you man, when you don't marry ISOKO or Urhobo, or you wife when you marry, or any you take connect, you not the suspect your wife, you not the accuser wrong. If you the suspect, now you okay, now you start be jealous now. No, your second name na jealousy. Or you the envy, I mean you like you the suspect and all you the kind of and someone will let you know, say be like say now you be the someone so where Kukuma take the work, make you do the work. You go dash you the office, maybe you collect and free. Now free you go just dash you. Even the children when you born, mind the kind words when you go to talk to them, when you go to tell them, say you the verse, you go call the top one, your papa, your mama, this is that. He go collect them from you. Or you go dash you with no good. My dear, who say not the work? My dear, it the work. Drop your question in the comment section. They go answer you. Ask questions, make you know. Make the answer you, make you know. Make you not go find waiting, not they find you. Make you not go waka enter where you not supposed to enter. Make you not go lose guard. Make you not go cause commotion, confusion, calamity for community, for friends, for family, for children, for the land, for the nation. please be guided, because such thing is a what? It's a bad. All road lead to the comment section. Thank you. God bless you. And please share this video. You get why? Thank you. I come for peace. So ISOKO to the world.